Hello COM-FSM. Today we are going through the steps on how a student can withdraw from a course. Okay, so step 1 is to get a withdrawal card from Office of Admissions, Records and Retention, or OARR. Or you can download the form going to the COM-FSM website, click on Student Services, Admissions and Records, go to Forms, and then search for Withdrawal Card Student. And you can download or print the withdrawal card. Now, after you have complete the withdrawal card, then you can see your academic advisor and your course instructor for approval. Now, if you already have both the signatures of your academic advisor and your instructor, then you can submit the completed withdrawal card to Office of Admissions and Records. Then you're done. Thank you.